Oh, what are you saying?
Just forever.
What are you saying? Oh,
Our best friend forever.
oh, you say that in the camera.
Just forever again.
What happened if I get
you
90?
die, I will cry.
Why?
You are my best friend. You are
That's
kind.
Mm.
You buy me candy. And you are handsome. You are good. And if you fat, I don't care.
If you fat? If I
No.
get big?
No. Just gym.
Gym. I go to gym.
Yeah. And just $1 trillion in I am 25 years old.
Oh, you'll give me trillion if you're 25 years
Yeah.
old. What will buy in trillion?
1 trillion?
House, luxury house?
Yeah.
And what?
Luxury
House and car.
cars and
Will buy the coffee shop.
yeah, coffee shop and Hot Wheels.
Hot
Jollibee.
Wings. Jollibee.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will buy for the barangay 409.
For her whole barangay?
Yes.
Wow. Are you chairman?
Nope.
Tanod.
I want to just elementary. I will buy big
What will you buy for Jory?
toys.
Toys? Jory and Raya.
She there.
Yeah.
Why?